Imagine if AI could help you code faster and way smarter. Sounds crazy, right? Hey everyone, welcome back to Rising Codezilla. Today we are diving into something called vibe coding. It's a new super cool way of coding with AI by your side, and trust me, it's a game changer. Plus, I will show you this instant tool which looks like VS Code but it's powered by AI, and it's an Cursor AI. Let's start with the first part. What exactly is vibe coding? Vibe coding stands for voice input based environment, where you code using your voice instead of type. How it works: you describe what you want, and AI tools convert your voice into actual working code. It's fast, hands free, and beginner friendly. Now, this instant tool we are going to see, search for Cursor AI. So here for Windows we are going to download it. This is the official website, so we are going to download it. Download Cursor the AI tool. So here you need to come. After coming here, you can choose your device, whether it is Mac OS, Windows, Linux, and we are having Windows 64. Latest version is 1.1. Yes, we are going to download it for Windows 10 oblique 11 64. And here you can just see this size, which is around 113 MB. So this is the file which we have downloaded. After coming, you can just do the I accept agreement. Here you need to do one click, which is create a desktop icon, so that you can see the icon at the desktop. So right now here you can just see at this point, add open with Cursor here, because when you are going to have any folder, you will get this option, open with Cursor. Click all these ticks. Okay, all the boxes should be filled with ticks, and just move to the next. Setup is ready, so you will just click here, install. So the installation is done within 1 minute. Okay, so it takes just 1 minute, and here you just need to launch, finish. This is the UI. After filling all these simple informations are given, so which mode you need, whether you want to get all the extensions or all the shortcuts from VS Code, so you just need to click for it. Now I will show you guys the website which is already built with this AI. I have just created with the normal HTML, CSS, JavaScript instead of going with the React or Next.js. So we are not using any framework. So here when anyone is going to click on subscribe, it user is going to directly move to the next page where the YouTube channel you will be able to see, guys. Please do subscribe, guys, because your support is very essential here. At the navbar we are having some sections. Now here if I will move inside the video section, then it will take me to the video section. Right now here the work is not done. I need to add some videos over here, but if you play the videos, it will be playing from this website. So this thing I have just tell it, and it has done this. I just provided the link of my video, and I told it to get the video from the YouTube, and it should be played here. Now we are going to move inside the short section. So this also videos are able to play at once. All these videos are able to play, so you can play this one, you can play this one, you can play this one. So one thing which is very important, it is responsive. If we are going to move inside inspect, and you can just check it for all the devices, it is responsive. Also tell it to add animation, so you can just see. So at the bottom also, this is the animation. You can just see zooming in, zooming out. You can just say we are having about section and also a contact section. Here after entering all the information, it is going to send this message. So here we are having this video, send email from contact. So this was form submit. Okay, so this is the website. So what you can do is you just need to add some tags. This is the one tag, single tag, and here you just need to enter your email ID. So to that address, when any user is going to send the message from here to this address, it is going to reach. So what I give it, I have just tell him to use the SMTP, this website link. So it has just implemented in this. So pricing for free is you are having 2 week free trial. That means around 14 days you are getting free trial. But for free you can just see there is a limited agent request and limited tab completions. So here you can just see the agent, and inside agent, so on clicking that arrow, you get a model which is right now auto mode. So you are having Cloud 3.5, you are having Gemini 2.5. So I think that you should try free versions, understand the concept, and after using it, then you can go with the pro versions as well. So obviously unlimited agent, unlimited tab, and everything becomes unlimited, but you need to pay for that. So here we will move inside the account settings. Now here one thing you get, and it is invite team to collaborate. So you can just give your team name, for example team name. Here you need to pay for $40, and you can collaborate it with team. Obviously there are different AI tools which are going to code for you, and they are going to code more faster than the manual. So the manual team member just need to check whether the code is proper or not. If they wanted to change some code or they want some change inside the code, then they will change it according. This becomes very faster way to develop big projects, and obviously this will help to boost your work as well. So here is the option of docs, so you can read all the docs from here. So it's quite simple. You can see here file, you can edit it, selection view, everything is similar like VS Code. You can just save and click on auto save, no problem. Preferences, themes and everything, it's like quite simple. Now here you get a chat, and here you can type anything. If you go step by step what you want, then it will be able to understand more properly instead of writing all the things at once. 4.1 they are saying. So what we can do is, moving from 3.4, we'll move to GPT 4.1 we are using right now. Let's say done, done, and let's give it, and right now it is just generating for us. So what it is saying, you need to read all this instruction. Header is given, site logo, navigation like home, channel, trending, about these things are given, channel banner, profile picture, names, subscription, description, subscribers description, a lot of things are given. Make starting website, I'm going to give it. It is just starting, and here you are getting an image also. You can add here what you want. Okay, right now it has just created the index.html, and you can just see here you are getting an accept button here. When you will click accept, these things will be accepted, and the folder you will be able to see over here. And what it is doing, you can just see here the index page, CSS is given, and also we are getting something. So I'm just going to accept all the things. So you can just move inside the index.html, you can check it out what is given. So you can just see here there are some sections added, banner is added, you can add some videos over here. Okay, so the basic structure is being designed, and here you can again get the main structure of your social media site with sections for a channel. You are getting sections for channel, you are getting video gallery, you are getting sidebar, style.css, responsive design, and JavaScript. Index sample videos cart into the gallery. Okay, let's see what it has given. So here is what it has just created: YT social and how to start the YouTube channel. Okay, some of the videos you are able to see here. You are getting the categories which you can just choose, and here you can add the banner of the YouTube, which is at the background. You can just see on in YouTube channel. Here you can just see this one banner it is talking about. You can add the channel image, and here your subscribers. This is a channel. You can give a description as well, but not everything it is done, so you need to explain all the things what you want. Now here our subscribers are around 592, so we will just add here are 592, so change it, that's all. And okay, now it's very simple to code here. Moving inside the HTML page, and you can just see somewhere it is been written over here only. So where it is, okay, here you can just see, okay, 1 million, it is just replacing with 592. So I'm just going to say accept, and coming here refreshing the page, it will be 592. Yeah, this description you can change it as well, so we'll get the description as well from here. And this is the description which we will copy from here and just paste it on this is description. And if you make any mistakes while typing, then it will fix all of them. Now here you can just see this is filled with that all the things, uh, and I'm just going to again say accept. So in this way you need to make changes as per your requirement. So here you can put your videos, your hand, your music. So this is the category page which you can just see at the right. If I want this categories at left, I'm just going to tell him that categories should be at the right, because if you see YouTube has all the things at right, categories should be at right, at left side, sorry, left side. So it just made some changes in the CSS. You can just see margin, and that's all. If I'm going to refresh the categories and be replaced at this point, this is the footer which I don't want it, so I'm just going to say remove footer. Or we want this size as smaller, make size smaller, of footer, take this, copy this, and we'll just accept. We'll just check out the footer over here. Just refreshing, you can just see the footer size again. It has reduced. Okay, now this is the video link. This is the video link. Add this video which should be played from this page. Okay, and okay, we just forget to stop. We just forget to give the link, so let's give the link and just submit it. Okay, so it will work for that, and the video you will be able to see at this video section is going to say accept. You can just review the changes and you can just see whether where it has just changed. Okay, and whether you want or not. So you are having Control Z as well, so you can use it, and while Control Z you can move to the back as well. So here you can just see at the videos, feature videos, you are getting this video, the LM Studio, which can be played from here itself as well. So you can play it from here as well. So this is the thing, and obviously here everything is just like YouTube suggestions, and make all the page which should be looking, make all this page like YouTube page with colors, and make a clone of YouTube. And this I'm going to enter it, and let's see what it does. Absolutely, here's how I will process, and it is giving a lot of things: color scheme and fonts, header, main content, footer. So we are now converting this website to direct YouTube and make it everything. I'm just going to just enter it and it will start generating. First it just give me what things should be done, and if you want some changes inside this, you can make the changes. Accept all, then it will start to work with the CSS. You can just see style.css. so here you can just see everything it just did. I'm just going to refresh. It just directly get converted to, not all the things are bit done, but the things what it did is really great. These files can be converted into Next.js, React.js as per your requirement also. So all these things can be done here. So this is all about today's video, and thank you guys for watching this video.